everybody! Today I want to share with you a brand new series that my family has absolutely fallen in love with. This is a Lift the Flap series, but it's not just your average Lift the Flap, and let me show you why. This series is called Busy Day, and it's an action play book with flaps. It's so cool. We have astronaut, athlete, vet, and firefighter. So what is so exciting about these really cute board books? They're a little story that has a character that walks through each of these fun careers. And they are Lift the Flap books that actually help our kids interact with the story. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It is nearly time to get up. Ring, ring, ring. Let's get dressed. And so they can move the flaps to dress our little firefighter girl. And my kids love this part. They love getting the characters dressed for their work day. And then they go through their day, and your kids can move the flaps to help them do all of the things that they do. It's like a day in the life for little kids. I love it. Help him or help her roll out the hose. I'm firefighter trained. Did you guys know that? Probably not. Fun fact about me, I took a firefighter training course when I was a teenager. I don't think it's still valid, but for a while I was officially trained to fight fire. Never did, but I was trained. This is vet. Again, it has the get dressed page. They're all laid out very similarly. They have the alarm clock in the beginning, and then you help them get dressed in their work outfit, and then you walk them through a day in the life of each of these careers. And they get to help feed Carla her medicine. We can weigh Terry the turtle. And then at the end of every day, they go home and rest from a hard day's work. Here is athlete. And he does a lot of different sporting activities. So there's a nice variety. Lifting weights. I've been lifting weights lately. It's fun. You feel really strong and proud of yourself. So now my kids can relate to what I do. Not like that guy. I lift like 5 pounds. Okay, chef. This one is the most popular in my family because my husband loves to cook and my kids love to cook right along beside him. And as the chef, they get to do things like chopping the carrots, which they do. They use a butter knife and they chop carrots, which chopping carrots with a butter knife is not easy, let me tell you, but they do a good job. They can add salt and pepper, flip the pancake. Such a cute idea. And then the last one I have is astronauts. If your kids love space, planets, astronauts, she's upside down. So much fun. And then she goes to bed at night. So they can experience all of these careers at such a young age. And even if this is not the career for them, it just gives them an idea of how hard people work and what the different tasks are that they do throughout the day. And it gives them like a hands-on experience of all these different careers. And it's especially cool if you know somebody in your family or in your friend circle who actually has one of these jobs, and then you can show them like, this is what Aunt Jenny does, or this is what Grandpa does. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching.